If you want to add an event to a calendar on POCO C85, what you have to do is you can go to the app drawer and then look for the calendar app. Now in this case we have two apps that we can in theory use. We have this one made by Google and this one made by Xiaomi, I believe. In the case of the Google app, let's actually allow notifications. There we go. In the case of this app, you can just tap on this plus button, for example, in the bottom right corner, and you can go ahead and choose event. And then of course we can start setting it up. We can set up the name, we can categorize it, we can make the event last a whole day or not. We can choose the date when it starts and when it ends as well. We can also choose the time when the event starts and ends if it doesn't last all day, of course. We can choose the time zone, whether the event repeats or not, and we can also add other people. We can add location, for example, we can manage notifications, you can add multiple different notifications, and so on. And of course, tap save in the upper right corner in order to create the event, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And in the case of the other calendar app, it is pretty similar, more or less. The difference is that we have set up on this plus button here in the upper right corner. Then we can set up the event name, of course. Once again, when it starts and when it ends, whether it repeats, and so on and so forth. There we go, we have guests, location, and description as well, in the account. So once you set everything up, we have this check in the upper right corner, and that's pretty much it. Now, if you actually create an event in the calendar by Google, it also appears on the other one, and vice versa. So as you can see, these two events that I created are available in both calendars. So after all, it's just a matter of preference which one you prefer to use. And that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.